So hey everybody, welcome to the Airstream. It's Saturday morning. What's the date here? Let's just take a look. So it's Saturday, June 16th, and last week I was making an attempt to do a video a day, and that did not work out very well. A couple of doctor's appointments and a couple things that threw me some curveballs. So we're gonna retry this again next week, and we'll see what comes of it. I hope it's more interesting than what I grabbed this week. So we finally got the rains coming in here. We've been waiting for them for a while here in Prescott, and not such a big storm, at least around here. In other areas, it looks like there's a lot more coming down, but it's really good to have the rain. And that's what the whole intro of this video was about. So we've been waiting on the rain for quite a while. This is a desert state, so yeah, you know, it's a desert. It's not going to rain a lot. But even in desert states, you can get to a point where they're calling it a severe drought, and that's where we're at right now. So there's not supposed to be any open fires, campfires, that kind of thing, especially with all the winds during the spring. One thing to note, if you've been following along, you know I've been under the weather for a couple of weeks, and with the rain today, it's demonstrated one thing to me. It looks like allergy season is a huge factor in how I've been feeling the past couple weeks. As you'll notice, I'm not squinting my eye today. It's doing much better. I got a follow-up with an ophthalmologist this week, and one other follow-up. So we should know everything by midweek, which will be great, because I've got too much stuff to do to be feeling terrible and dizzy and only able to see out of one eye. All right, so I just wanted to catch everyone up. This is a real quick video, and if we get some more awesome scenes from some real Arizona storming, I'll be sure to put that in there. No thunder, no lightning today, so I got up this morning and it was kind of a letdown because it still wasn't wet outside. It was overcast, and it really didn't start raining until after 8 this morning, and right now it's not doing much, so fingers are crossed that we still get some more rain today, and that we get a cool monsoon season coming up. So hopefully this channel is going to be getting very busy over the next couple weeks with the projects that I'm working on. And so be sure to stop by and subscribe so that you'll know when new videos are popped up. So stay tuned this week. We'll see what I do and don't do, and we're going to try to do 7 days of working and living from the Airstream this week. And that will include a lot of traveling around, some more green screens with Brett Blevins, and some more work for one of the resort chains that I do RV park website design for, because they're adding a whole new property. So I've done a lot of that over the past week, and it didn't make for fun and interesting videos, so that's why it never made it up. Thanks again for stopping in. Really appreciate you guys following along, and thanks for all the well wishes that I've gotten from folks in private emails. I appreciate it. And like I said, feeling a lot better, so hopefully this week we'll get all positive things from the physician, and we can move on, and hopefully allergy season is over here.